We're at the Johannesburg Magistrate's Court this morning, where the former chairperson of the South African Airways, Dudu Myeni, was fined 120,000 rand or 2 years imprisonment for disclosing the identity of a protected witness during the State Capture Commission. Dudu Myeni appeared before the Commission in November 2020 virtually and referred to the full identity of a witness that was meant to only be referred to as Mr. X. Several times, the chair of the commission that was looking into allegations of state capture made an order that the identity should be protected due to the safety of this witness. However, that was contravened by Myeni. She was now brought to court and facing charges of defeating the ends of justice. Today, she admitted that her actions could have potentially either jeopardized either the safety of Mr. X or even the integrity and of the entire commission or the work of the commission. I want to bring in the NPA's Dudu Myeni. Thank you so much for speaking to us. We've heard that the plea agreement was finally reached. How's the NPA feeling with regards to this agreement that was made? And let's talk the terms of this agreement.
Okay, indeed, yes. Ms. Dudu Myeni pleaded guilty and entered into a plea and sentence agreement with the state, where both parties then came to court with a proposed sentence of a fine of 120,000 rands or a term of 2 years imprisonment, half of which was suspended for a period of 5 years on condition that Ms. Myeni is not found guilty of committing the offense that she pleaded guilty to, which is that of defeating or obstructing the proper administration of justice. Now, it was for the court to firstly determine whether or not the said plea and sentence agreement met the preliminary requirements, which is that of consultation with the investigating officer and as well as the commission itself. Though the commission is not the complainant in this regard, the state is, but we just had to do those requirements of also consulting with them. So as the NPA, we welcome the court's decision. It has endorsed the sentence that we proposed, and we believe that it is a just sentence, one that strikes a balance between the interest of justice, the interest of the accused, as well as the interest of society. It also actually gives effect to the principle of equality before the law.
This matter, came about during quite a sensitive and well-known commission. And does this sentence, help those that may want to come out and give information around corruption, such as whistleblowers, that they will be protected and that their identities will be taken seriously? And also for those commissions that are set up, that the orders that are given should be held and they can be brought to court and prosecuted for going against them.
Indeed, yes, it serves as a lesson to society out there that once the chairperson of any commission has made an order, that order must be complied with, and that it is a serious offense to then contravene the regulations of the commission, including the orders of any chairperson that will be presiding over such a commission.
Thank you so much. That was the NPA's Dudu Myeni speaking to us here outside courtroom 21, where Dudu Myeni had pleaded guilty just earlier. As you heard, it is a sentence of 120,000 rand fine or 2 years imprisonment, but half of it is suspended for 5 years as long as Ms. Myeni does not commit the same offense again, that is obstruction of justice. The matter, seen with the sentence, the NPA is saying, sends a strong message to those that try to oppose and contravene those orders that are brought down or handed down by chairpersons of commissions. I'm Hasina Gori for SABC News. Back to you in studio.